My name is Josh Shapiro, and this is the Paideia project. One of the most important things that we can do in thinking about our children's future in the 21st century is reforming our outdated education system. Over the past few months, teams of NYU students have worked together to redesign the curriculum and architectural models of a public high school.
As a professor at NYU, I was really excited to be a part of a tutorial that involves rethinking schools. And it's been really exciting to work with the students that were hell-bent on solving the problem of education, K through 12, and rethinking how we learn.
Education is not an exciting topic. So I thought, what is one way to inspire people to think about the future of education? Architectural models are really cool and inspiring. When you can see and visualize a space, you get excited about things. Think of the possibilities. We used a rural public high school in Massachusetts as our template, and we've had over 6 teams designing the cafeteria space, classrooms, makerspace, student atrium, landscaping and rooftops to give a holistic representation of what the future of K through 12 education can be. The school functions as a community center, and so this can be in the cafeteria where we have vertical gardens where community members are invited to pick their own vegetables, but it could also be in the makerspace where we have tools like laser cutters and 3D printers, tools that are available to us here at the New Lab.
So right now we're in Brooklyn, New York, in a space called the New Lab, which was essentially a building through adaptive reuse that had been transformed into a major center for thinking about tech.
Being able to come to the Brooklyn Navy Yard every Friday and meet in this incredibly inspiring green open space was foundational to our work. Part of the curriculum redesign has been a focus on problem projects.
Project-based learning essentially means that they have a hands-on approach where they develop their own problem sets, and then they work in teams to solve it.
These are semester-long projects that students take on, and they choose a problem in escalating scales of locality so that they can choose bullying in their high school, job loss in their town, climate change in the world, and they work over the course of the semester to come up with possible solutions and research the problem, and they present these solutions at a problem project expo at the end of the semester. The project itself, what we're doing, is in itself a problem project. So on Monday, we will showcase the designs that we've been working on this semester. We call this project the Paideia project because Paideia in Greek means the raising of the ideal member of the polis. So it includes education in gymnastics, it includes liberal arts education, scientific experimentation. The students of the 21st century need to be taking risks, experimenting, and have the confidence to really go out there and be change makers in their society.